my birthday update video. So yeah, I'm a little emotional because I've never done that for myself, and I feel just so blessed, so grateful, so happy. I was just going through this light one day and hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video from No Filter Vlogs, and this is my birthday update video. So yeah, this year I have been so calm on my birthday, and it has been such a mindful practice whatever I've done on my birthday. Growing up, I've always been the girl who has to be the center of attraction. The party has to be up to date, the clothes have to be super posh and nice and stylish, and I just have to have a blast on my birthday. So I've always been that person who's a birthday party person, but last year I decided that I will be visiting a place that's more of a peaceful place that brings peace and some authenticity to my life, some value to my day. So I visited Amritsar Golden Temple last year, and if you haven't seen that video or vlogs, you can of course see that in my channel. This year I decided already that I'm not going to go out because of a lot of things going on in 2025. I just didn't feel like going out somewhere. So I thought I'll have a mindful birthday by just doing what I like, and I was working straight for weeks without even a day off, and that was really hectic. So I decided I'm going to take a day off, actually 2 days off, because it was Saturday and Sunday of course off tha. So Saturday and Sunday I took off, and I did not schedule any work in those 2 days. I just did what I liked. I went shopping, I went out, I had dinner and lunch with my family, just spent time with people who actually are important to me. And of course I have noticed that this year my birthday circle was a lot smaller, but I think it was quality over quantity. Past 2 years mein every nonsense person, every shitty person, sorry Joy bol raha hai, no, so from last 2 years every shitty person, every nonsense person in my life have already taken off, and just I don't know, it's like भोले शंकर खुद ही मेरे जीवन में से उन लोगों को निकाल रहे हैं जिनको ज़रूरत नहीं है मेरे लाइफ में रहने की. एंड दिस हैपेंड रियली विदाउट एनी एफर्ट. खुद लोग वियर्ड बिहेव करना शुरू कर दिए, खुद लोग कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट ब्रिंग अप कर दिए, एंड आई डिडंट इवन ट्राई फिक्सिंग दैट बिकॉज आई डोंट फिक्स व्हाट आई एम नॉट ब्रोकन. सो थिंग्स जस्ट हैपन very ऐसा ही randomly. I did not understand it back then 2024 starting में, but like 1 year, maybe 1.5 year later now, I do understand that भोलेनाथ सिर्फ मेरे लाइफ से कचरा निकाल रहे थे so that I can invite and have more valuable people and more work in my life. I've grown into this person who likes her work more, and yeah, this birthday has been just a lot about me, but a little peaceful and mindful me. Okay, moving on to what I got as gifts on this birthday. I have a lot of things to share, but I'll share my favorite one first. So the first gift that I got this birthday is this. So yeah, I've never been a person who buys gold for herself, but your near and dear ones do notice that, and I got gifted with something really special. This is what I got. First of all, the packaging is super cute. Kalyan Jewellers. Okay, so this is what I got. I don't know whether you can see this or not, but this is like a very pretty, okay, how do I show you today? See, can you guys see? I will put a picture somewhere on the screen just to show it more nicely, but this is what I was wearing right now. But अभी मैंने उतार के आपको बॉक्स में दिखा दी कि कैसा लग रहा था. So this was my first gift this birthday. That was not all. I just figured out I do not hate wearing gold. I just like it in a particular design range or something very minimalist or my type. So of course I ended up buying a little more, and I gifted this to myself. So Akanksha 3-4 years back wouldn't have done that. So yeah, that was that. So I bought this very pretty ring from Kalyan. So they do have a very nice, very pretty range with silver as well. So yeah, this one was silver, but I really liked it. So please focus. Okay, I really liked it. And this is, I'm so sorry, my camera just goes pagal sometimes. So this is a very pretty ring. This is what I was wearing in my hand right now, but because आपको दिखाना था, तो of course this is how it looks. I know it's a little too extra, but I liked it, so I bought it. So yeah, that's that. So you're going to see a lot of gifts that are gifted to me by me this birthday, because this is one thing that I never used to do. I don't spend too much on myself. I think a lot before that. I procrastinate a lot before that. But किसी और को गिफ्ट देना हो तो तुरंत I will be like, अरे ले लो ना, it's okay, it's from my end, it's okay, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. But this birthday I made sure I pamper myself enough, because I am not spending too much on unnecessary stuff in parties. So this is where I spend a lot of my money on. And yeah, the next thing that I bought was this piece by Kalyan Jewellers. Again, this is a very pretty silver piece. So I wanted something in this hand with this ring. I had a vision in mind, and this is how it looks. So you can see. So this is very, very, very pretty. Because we're talking about what I gifted myself this year, last thing that I bought from Kalyan is this pair of earrings, and I don't know whether you can see it nicely or not. I will put a picture separately on the screen. This is very minimalist earrings that I would wear on everyday basis. I do not wear earrings usually. Video banane ke liye I do wear earrings, and then I take them off because artificial earrings do not suit me, and I get infected in my ear because of this. So I never used to wear earrings more regularly, but I decided I'm going to buy something very minimal for me that I can wear every day and not be conscious, और वो सोने के टाइम पे चुभे ना, बस that's the whole point, ताकि मुझे बार बार उसको उतारना और लगाना ना पड़े, क्योंकि I will lose them for sure. So I bought this very minimal earrings for myself, and this, I don't know whether you can see it or not. Can you see this छोटू सा stud ऊपर वाला piercing में? So yeah, this is also from Kalyan Jewellers, and this is also a silver piece of theirs. So yeah, ऊपर के लिए I bought silver, and नीचे के लिए I wanted something in gold. So that is what I gifted myself from Kalyan Jewellers this year. So that was my second gift. Moving on to the third gift, and again a very, 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 very special gift. So that was from my mother, and my mother decided to gift me a Fossil watch this year. First of all, the packaging is super, super, super nice. Okay, this is the box that it comes in. It has its bill, everything, because I tend to break things a lot. So yeah, I keep it intact. So this is the ring that my mother has gifted me. I will put a picture, of course, and I wear it everywhere I go. I kid you not, because I'm just so happy that my mother gifted me this watch, because I'm obsessed with Fossil watches, and I never buy it for myself because I think it's इतना खर्चा करने की क्या ज़रूरत है खुद पे आकांक्षा, तुमको चाहिए ही नहीं, तुम यूँ ही खरीद रही हो, इसलिए मैं अपने लिए खरीदूंगी ही नहीं, ये सोच के. My mom was like, देखो मुझे तुम्हें कुछ तो गिफ्ट देना है, please buy a watch for yourself. You really want a watch and you're not buying it, you're just procrastinating. So she gifted me this watch that I wear literally everywhere. Okay, I love it. Then I got gifted with few of the fragrances, and the first one is this by Bella Vita, Date Woman. This is one of the perfumes that I have restocked again and again. I'll just show you the bottle also. So this is how it looks. It is a super nice fragrance. इसके बारे में मैंने अपने पिछले बर्थडे हॉल में भी बात की थी, and I got gifted a miniature perfume. इसी का गिफ्ट, हाँ, गिफ्ट हैम्पर था कुछ तो, by somebody who's not in this birthday, but yeah, super glad. So yeah, one thing that they did nice was introduce me to this fragrance, and here that is, I really love it. The second fragrance was something, I told you I break things. Alright, so the second fragrance of this birthday was this fragrance by Miniso, and this is Pearl Whale. Okay, the fragrance is super I don't know, super girly. It's too girly for me, but this time, as you may have noticed, I'm going all girly, and I had to buy this fragrance, so I really like the fragrance. So yeah, this is what something I bought for myself this birthday. So a lot of self kits, as you may have noticed, because क्यों किसी और पे खर्चा करना है, खुद पे खर्चा करो, खुद को खुश रखो. That's more important. So moving on to the next gift, I got a gift hamper and it had a few flowers. This light right here, which is super cute. Can you see? I was just going through this light one day and they just noticed, so they decided to gift me this with a Dubai chocolate and that kunafa chocolate that's really famous. So that chocolate, I will put a picture here. Of course it's in my freezer and I've not gotten it out, but I'll put a picture on screen. The chocolate was super nice, very sweet but super nice. So of course I liked it, I loved it, and there were a few other small gifts with that. I loved it. I had a lot of protein bars in that because they know I don't miss gym and I'm a gym freak, and there is a specific coffee by Sleepy Owl that I really like. So wo coffee, a lot of those coffees, a lot of those protein bars, this light, and a lot of flowers and everything. So that was the whole hamper. I did get a lot of bouquets and cakes as well this year, as every year, but this year it was a lot special because I just mentioned a specific cake that I want this sort of cake on my birthday. I'll definitely get it, but again, me being me, I just thought it's too extra for me, why do that? And I got gifted with that cake and the same bouquet that I was just scrolling through and liking. So yeah, I'll put the pictures here. I clicked all of the pictures, never posted on an Instagram. I don't know why, I'm just not feeling the vibe कि मैं भी post ही कर दूँ, but I wanted to make the video first. So yeah, I'll put some pictures here, put a few videos here, and yeah, on the whole my birthday was more of what I would want to carry on from this year forward. And yeah, being the woman that has taken a lot of courage. 2 years back I left my job, did everything in my power, worked my ass off to get here where I can actually buy things that I never thought I'll buy on my own. And these few things were a few things that I really didn't think I'll buy on my own, but yeah, I'm really grateful. So this year I was really grateful, and yeah, I'm a little emotional because I've never done that for myself, and I feel just so blessed, so grateful, so happy that I could. And yeah, on the whole my birthday was a blast, fantastic. I did go out for a lot of lunch and dinners, but I did not take any pictures. I was just spending time with my close ones, but I do have a lot of pictures in my outfit and the bouquet and the cake because that was something very special gifted to me. So I'll put that there in the video end में, तो वो देखने से पहले जाना मत, और हाँ, subscribe करो, like करो. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching my videos. I love you guys. Bye bye.